So guys, here I think I had took my gloves off to get the camera right, but here I am using some gesso. I don't recommend, but I'm using gesso, which is known to give use with paintings. You can use it to give paintings texture. If you didn't know, I do paint, but this is what I had at my house. I didn't feel like going to any type of store, so I was like, why not? So yeah, I'm just using this gesso to give it texture. There isn't no special way. I'm just going up and down because that's like the way I want the texture going. And in the front, you will see I didn't cover up the vintage all the way because I didn't want it all the way covered up. I'm not going to lie. I'm not sure how I like the way this one came out. And that is why it is in my guest bathroom. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. I tried to make sure I have a Pottery Barn vase or vessel, whatever you want to call it, and I was trying to do that mixture of the grayish color. Whatever. Yeah. This one, I'm doing the same thing. This is just the all white one. I wasn't sure what color I was going to do this one. Both of these I got from Home Goods. They was really cheap. Actually, this one could have stayed white, just like how it is. There was nothing wrong with it. But if you know me, then you know I really love texture. I love things textured. Yeah. So this is just me mixing up the gesso and trying to get everything together. So I'm just going to stop talking and play some musica for you guys. So guys, you will see me here taking paint. I was trying to go for a natural look, so I also use my hands to paint this on. So I use like two kind of natural base colors, and then did go over it with the white because I felt like it was just a little too much. So yeah, right now I'm just putting my gloves back on. I do like to paint with my hands, and I didn't want to use a brush because I knew it wasn't going all over this vase. I knew with my hands it would give me more of where I wanted it to go. And I like to paint with my hands because I feel like I have more control over where the paint goes. So you see here it's not going on perfect, and that's exactly what I wanted it. Wanted. Girl, get your words right. Dang. I also wanted a look of it being outside, old for a long time. So I actually put more texture on this one than I did the all white one. So yeah. And here I am just going to use dirt. Now, this dirt was wet, and I did wet the pot. I wish I would not have wet the pot. I just wish I would have just used wet dirt. Let me get the camera right because my ashy elbows was so much in focus. But anyways, I'm doing the dirt. I'm using my hands as well, and I'm using this brush to get the excess of water and dirt off. The dirt give it like a grainy texture, old as well. So that's what I wanted to use, and I didn't want to use like black dirt, so I had to like dig up some dirt. So yes, I'm making sure I do that. And I'm sorry, y'all, I was like so out of focus, but this is what it is looking like so far. So this is how this one came out. I am not going to lie. I'm not feeling this. Like, I don't know. I just don't know. And that's part of the reason why it is in my spare bathroom. I like how it came out, but then again, I don't, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is in my spare bedroom. That's how that one came out. I got these from Hobby Lobby. This is how this one came out. I was going to leave it white, but decided to do it black. I love the texture. The candlesticks, I'm showing y'all the texture matches this, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to change this up. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. Y'all already know. To like, thumbs up. Well, that is like, girl, comment,